Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 1392 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update your computer device drivers, and the best way to update all the drivers at once is to install optional updates. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on advanced options. Select optional updates and install all the optional updates available here. The next solution is to install all available Windows updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates. The next solution is to uninstall and reinstall the program associated with the DISM error. Now there could be a lot of programs, and I'll tell you how we uninstall a program. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to apps, select installed apps. Find the problematic program from this list here. It could be anything. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select uninstall and uninstall once again. And once it has uninstalled, try installing it from the Microsoft Store. For example, I'll search for Brave browser in the Microsoft Store, and then I will try to reinstall it on my system, because it is better to install it through the Microsoft Store. The last solution is to run a check disk and a system file checker scan. So how do we do this? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Now in the elevated command prompt window, the first command that you have to type is sfc /scan now and hit enter. And the second command that you need to type is chk dsk /f /r and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter to invoke the check disk scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.